Welcome back. I'm Kourtney Chinnery and I'm a sophomore at Bridgeway Academy. I'm presently taking AP Calculus and I'm doing an 8-part series on teaching different calculus concepts. This is my second video of that 8-part series. The first video was teaching the unit circle and that is how we got to this point. So if you do not recall watching that video, you might want to tune back to that so you can see how we got up to this point and continue what we are talking about now. So now I'll be teaching you what the different values of those angles are, the different radian values. So when we are doing this, the 30 degrees is equivalent to pi over 6 in radians. So also we have pi over 3 and we have pi over 2. Now this value is pi over 4. Okay, so 30 degrees is equivalent to, in radians, is equivalent to pi over 6. 45 degrees is equivalent to pi over 4. 60 degrees is equivalent to pi over 3. And 90 degrees is equivalent to pi over 2. Now you may be wondering how we got these values. So pi over 6, that is the only way you get it. 180 divided by 6, which is equivalent to 30 degrees. 180 divided by 4, equivalent to 45 degrees. And 180 divided by 3 is equivalent to 60 degrees. But in order to remember these, the 30 degrees and the 60 degrees and the 90 degree angles are linked, basically. And the 45 degree and the 90 are linked. So those are basically two different things, like 30-60 degree triangles and 45-45. So pi over 6. Then we have 2 pi over 6, which reduces to pi over 3. Then we have 3 pi over 6, which reduces to pi over 2. So pi over 6, 2 pi over 6, 3 pi over 6. Now we have 4 pi over 6. Then we skip the middle one to get 5 pi over 6. Then we have 6 pi over 6, 7 pi over 6, 8 pi over 6, 9 pi over 6, 10 pi over 6, 11 pi over 6, and 12 pi over 6, which is this value right here. Now, we will be doing the 45. Pi over 4, 2 pi over 4, 3 pi over 4, 4 pi over 4, 5 pi over 4, 6 pi over 4, 7 pi over 4, and 8 pi over 4. Don't forget we wrote this value down here. Okay, so now that we have those values, we must also reduce them to finish up our radian degrees. So we already reduced 2 pi over 6 down to pi over 3, and we already reduced 2 pi over 4 down to pi over 2. Now, 4 pi over 6 can be reduced down to 2 pi over 3. And then we can reduce 6 pi over 6 down to pi. And remember, 180 degrees equals pi. So if you are confused and do not remember how you got here, remember, if you get pi for this value, then you're doing something along the right track. Then we have 8 pi over 6 reduces down to 4 pi over 3. And then we have 9 pi over 6 reduces down to 3 pi over 2. 10 pi over 6 reduces down to 5 pi over 3. And we have 12 pi over 6. This value reduces down to 2 pi. And remember, 2 pi is 2 times 180 degrees, which is 360 degrees. So you're doing something along the right track if you get that also, because 360 degrees is it's the degree of an entire circle. So that concludes the entire second video of teaching you the unit circle, how to memorize and use it. And thank you for watching. I hope you understood what I was talking about and the concept that I was explaining. And bye.